Good morning. It's me, Tommy here, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing to my van. And guess what? I got coffee. I'm building a little something here for my fridge. As you can see, it's a little something. It's messy. Got a bunch of stuff in there going on. Just tinkering, modifying, securing. May have to touch up a little, do a little bit of something to make it a little stronger. That's what it looks like, folks. Not too bad. Oh, this is how far I got today. Not too shabby. You can see here I threw down this slide resistant tarp thing. Liner, excuse me. Screwed it in. Put this little foam here for cushion. Little messy, but you see I got a new nightstand right there. I'm not sure if you guys seen it yet, but everything's coming along slowly. It's a little messy. When I get it all dialed in, I get a real good van tour explaining everything, put links, kind of what I got with this van. Just showing some clearances. This thing does close pretty good without no interruptions. Here we go. Closed. Not any problems. Can't really tell this angle, but see, it's better view right here. Yeah. Woohoo! Girl's checking out my project. Yay! Birthday girl. Ginger ale. Birthday girl. We're getting ready for backyard camping.